Hey guys, welcome to Code Like a Pro. In this video, I'm going to do something different and teach you about HTML. So it is used in any websites, in any kind of a web engine. For example, our own Code Like a Pro website. So I'm going to make a playlist on how to make a website, and this is the first video of the playlist. If you want to access the playlist, you can just go to my channel, go to playlists, and I'll have a playlist right there named websites. So yeah, you can just access that. And in this video, I'll use Visual Studio Code, which is just better for HTML, JavaScript, CSS, which is used to make a web page. So let's get started. First, as you can see, I have already made my own folder. You can make it anywhere. I've made it in the desktop. So right now, if as you can see, there is one folder right here, tutorial. And if I open this, I have stored an image over here, which I'll do something in this tutorial with. So to get started, you can just click on this new file and name your file index.html, and then this page will open for you. So now I'm just gonna teach you the basics of HTML. So the first thing you need to learn is HTML only has tags. Tags are really important in HTML, and how you start tags is by using this greater than symbol. Then after this greater than symbol, you can type HTML, and then when you type enter, you can see that we have this, which is a one more, like greater than symbol /HTML, and anything you add /to, that's known as closing the tag. So first you type greater than symbol HTML and then close it using the lesser than symbol, and then when you type enter, you will have this. So you should just leave it over there. So it's gonna be somewhere over here for you. Just type enter, and then it's gonna separate itself. So the first thing I'm gonna teach you is the title or the head. So inside this HTML, you can once again open the tag and type head, and once you close it like that, it's again gonna create one more, which you can just call it as the close tag, and once you type enter, it's gonna separate itself. So inside this head tag, you can give your web page a title. So for example, you can once again open the tag and type title and close it. And right here you can give your web page a title, whatever you want. For example, my first web page. And now if you want to run this, you can just right click, or if you have everything set up, you can just run it like that. But something like this, if something like this appears, you can just right click and open with live server. So as you can see, we have our web page title right here, my first web page. But if you don't have this open with live server option as well, all you need to do is go to extensions and just type this live server. So you can just search for live server over here, and you can install this. So once you have installed that, you can have this option called as open with live server, and it's as easy as that. So now once you have given your web page title, you need to give it some paragraph and some text, right? So for that, you can once again open your tag and type P. P stands for paragraph, And inside this tag you can type anything and it's going to display on the web page. So you can just type hi, this is my first web page, and I will keep updating it, for example. And once you run this using the live server, as you can see this hi, this is my first web page, and I'll keep updating it. And you can type anything. Next, if you want a header, you can just go under the title and type H. H stands for header, and after that you can type 1. So that's nothing but header 1. And why is that so? I'll just get that to in a second. So if you want to give this a title, you can give it a header. You can just give any header. For example, I'll just give this my first web page. And if we open it with the live server again, you can see this my first web page in bold. So that's our header. Now you can create 3 headers. For example, you can create another header over here, and inside that you can type second, for example, and you can make a third one as well, and you can type third. And if we run this, you can see we have my first web page, second and third. So as you can see, the header 1 had a bigger font, the second one had a little less, and the third one had the least. So yeah, it's just the size which matters. If you want the biggest size, you can use H1, H2, but it really doesn't matter if you know CSS, which we'll get to in the next video. So once we have done this, all the content is done and everything. If you want to, now the most interesting part, if you want to give it an image, what you can do is just open and type img. Img stands for image, and over here you can type src. Src stands for source equals to, and you can open the quotes, and over here you might need a image inside your folder, as I showed you in the beginning. This is my folder right here, tutorial, and inside that I have an image. You have to do the same. And over here inside this src, once you open the quotes, you can type butterfly or whatever the image you have. And well, image doesn't for example, let me just show you. If I close it, it doesn't work like that. You first need to type a /, then if you close it, it works. So now if you want to save it, you can just save all and then run. So as you can see, we have our butterfly right there. Now if you want to do more detailing inside HTML, well, first we have the HR tag. So which HR stands for horizontal line, which will show on the web page. So if I just type HR right here and run this thing, you can see that we have this gray horizontal line going through the web page. So if you want, you can separate sections using this horizontal line tag. You should just it's very simple. You can just open the quotes, type HR and then close it, as simple as that. And now, for example, if I run it, as you can see, if I wanted if I'm typing a very big paragraph and I wanted to detail it, make it look a little more nice, what I can do is, we have another tag. So let me just show it to you. So I'll make another paragraph right here, and I'll be like, this is Code Like a Pro, and then in between these two paragraphs, if I just add, like, open the quotes and then type BR and close it, give it a nice little space there, and then as you can see, it gives a huge space in between them. So we have height. This is my first web page, and I'll keep updating it. And this is Code Like a Pro. And if I remove this BR tag, you can refer it to as the break. So once I do this, you can see that it still gives a gap, but it's not as big as the break statement gives us. So that's about it. That's what the break statement is. Now, so yeah, that's about the video. It's very simple. And in the next video, I'll get to CSS, in which you can like customize this. You can add many colors to it, and you can do many things like get this thing to the middle, and design the web page, give it some nice background color, customize the text, which is really important. So yeah, that's about this video, and in the next video we'll talk about CSS. So that's it about this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye.